Good evening. On Friday night, TVJ's Primetime Sports had a story which said Reggae Boys head coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore has given the Jamaica Football Federation 1 month to sort out his contract. The story added that the ongoing saga continues after both parties had a meeting on Thursday. Whitmore has been doing the head coach duties on an interim basis since 2016, when he replaced Winfred Schaefer, whose contract was terminated then by the JFF. In an effort to formalize the arrangement with Whitmore, the current JFF executive, led by President Michael Ricketts, offered the former national player a 2-year contract in October of last year, but that contract is yet to be signed by Whitmore. Earlier last month, JFF General Secretary Dalton Wint said there were a few sticking points in the negotiations with Whitmore, but noted that money was not the main issue. What is clear, though, is that Whitmore has some issues with the contents of this contract. And even though the General Secretary has said money is not at the heart of the problem, I am refusing to rule out the idea that the financial package could very well be at the center of the problem. A contract normally outlines the financial terms, such as basic salary and bonuses in some cases, and also the job description for the employee and expectations of the employer. It could therefore be that Whitmore is not pleased with some of these elements. From what we are hearing, the JFF is having challenges coming up with the funding to provide an improved offer on the contract, which was offered to Whitmore last October. The 1-month ultimatum given to the JFF by Whitmore means the local governing body has almost the entire month of March to sort out this lingering issue and bring some stability to what is one of the most critical areas of any national football program. I'm Spencer Darlington. Good evening.